Hey guys, welcome to Gaurav's Magic, and today I'm gonna teach you how a plane works. Okay, let's start. So first, first I'll I'll tell you the history of who created the plane. This thing with wings and a large tube that is called as a fuselage. Okay, the fuselage is connected to the planes. These are the engines. This is the this is the tail. So that's how it is. So today we're gonna learn how does a plane fly. So when the simple answer is that the plane flies with lift. Yeah. With the four forces of flight: gravity at the bottom, thrust straight, lift up, and drag back. See, so these are the four forces of flight. I'll explain each one of them. When you take off, the angle is slightly changed to get off the ground. So the wing slightly goes up and making more wind go down there, making less wind go down there and more wind up there. So it can fly like that. Okay? But it can move forward and backward. But planes can't move backwards. So thrust comes handy. This is thrust. See. Oh yeah, it's off, right? See, when the when you put on the thrust, it goes forward. See, it's making this noise. You know that? Because the engines are very loud on the real engine. It's really loud. So thrust makes the plane move forward. I'll show you. See, this is my aeroplane. Did you see that? It went forward. So that's called as thrust. The more thrust and less drag makes the plane move forward. If more drag and less thrust means it does not go forward. So that's how it works. Gravity. Last is gravity. And before telling gravity, please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing. the more lift, the more it can fly. The more gravity, it will land. Gravity is just falling. Yeah. Falling of an object. Falling of an object. You know, when Newton was sitting down on that tree, then suddenly an apple fell on his head. Then he discovered gravity. Yeah, gravity is that thing that's pulling that object down to earth. Like, see, this is me. Imagine this is gravity. My hand is gravity. And this plane is without any of the plane. Without any of engines or anything. I'm pulling it down towards earth. Then that's how same planes fall. And if a flightless bird tries to fly, like an ostrich, if you throw it, he'll just fall and get injured. Get that? So the wings are the main things to fly for an airplane. These things can be also the main thing. No, these are actually for controlling, like to control the plane right and left. But the engines are the main part, guys. Engines are the main parts to go forward. Yeah, I know that gliders don't have engines and they still go forward. Yeah, because of humans, they go forward. And the rest is air. Okay. So these planes are like very weightless. You know that planes are metal and they still don't fall down, just like this plane. I tried throwing this plane with thrust, but it won't work. Like I tried throwing it without thrust. See, it just crashed on my bed. So if you understand, so if you want to be a pilot, you have to remember these 4 things: lift, gravity, drag, and thrust. So thank you for watching. Bye.